Gusto mo matuto ng freelancing ng libre pero may catch. Watch till the end. Yung lagi mong napapanood yung mga freelancers earning 6 digits, working anytime, working anywhere, pero hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula. If this is you, then watch till the end. Hindi nagpo-post ako ng bagong video sa pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ang computer at internet. Let's talk about ano nga ba yung freelancing, paano magsimula, paano ko malalaman ko yung ano yung niche, paano gumawa ng portfolio, paano magawa ng resume, saan magsasubmit ng application, saan pwede mag-apply, saan pwede makahanap ng clients. All of these questions are actually answered sa aming pinakang basic ng basic. Now, before, we offered this class for free because we want to be able to find diamonds na pwede naming isama sa VA agency. Ngayon, napansin ko, a lot of people are interested pero not many people are willing to commit. At higit sa lahat, not many people are taking action. So kung ikaw, curious ka pa lang, gusto mong malaman if this is something that's parang bagay sa personality mo, or you really want to be able to see kung ano ba yung niche na gusto mong pasukin pagdating sa freelancing, ang the best na marirecommend ko would be our revamped basic work from home training program. Again, libre to pero may catch. Hold on. Hold your horse. Yeah. Before nga, ino-offer namin siya for free. Ang dami nagsa-sign up pero hindi tinatapos. And because of that, we revamped the process. Nagdagdag kami ng classes. Hindi na siya 5 days. Almost 6 to 10 sessions na siya. May bayad siyang 399 pesos. But, marirefund mo yon kapag perfect attendance ka at natapos mo yung buong training process. And we're actually doing this for our mentees as well. Kasi pagkatapos ng sessions natin, 6 to 10 sessions to, 6 p.m. hanggang 8 p.m. siya, Monday to Friday, you will meet 10 different mentors, depende sa availability. At ito yung tinatawag namin na level 1. So, lahat ng basics ng lahat, halos ng ino-offer namin na classes, matututunan nyo doon. And kapag available pa, natutuwa ako, pag available pa yung ibang mentors to do 2 or 3 sessions, nagkakaroon pa ng extra. So, meron pang nagkakaroon pa ng sessions sa skill building, LinkedIn stalking. So, masaya tong klase na to. Now, after nung live classes, magkakaroon kayo ng application book session, which is yung preparation nyo para mag-apply. Pagkatapos magkakaroon kayo ng final activity, doon na kayo magsasubmit ng lahat ng kailangan nyo para makapagsimula. We will review that during our one-on-one session, which is what we call the mock interview. At after nun, makaka-receive kayo ng certificate. At again, kung perfect ang attendance at ang homework, marireceive nyo pa ulit, pabalik. Marirefund sa inyo yung 399 pesos. This is something that you wanna try. Meron kaming class na mag-start next week. That's again from 6 till 8 p.m. If you guys wanna join, just click the link in my bio. Pagkatapos, it will open this page. Now, dito guys, makikita ninyo under open classes. Yan, taas. Open classes. Sa pinakang baba guys, makikita nyo 399 pesos na siya. Siyempre, bagal lang ano. Yan, 399, refundable, nakasulat dyan, Revamp Basic Work From Home Training. I-click nyo lang yan guys, it will open the form para makapag-enroll kayo. Kung nasa Instagram naman kayo, ito yung i-click nyo. At in any case na hindi gumagana yung TikTok at Instagram, punta na lang kayo sa Facebook ko, hanapin nyo itong video na to, makikita nyo sa mismong caption yung pinakang link. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, makikita nyo sa description box. Go-close na tong class na to, so mag-enroll na kayo. Kung hindi pa kayo sure kung gusto nyo maging freelancing, I think this is the best place to start. Anyway, comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis, and I'll see you at the classroom. Bye!